Who's this? Who's on his own little sled? Hi. You ready? He's saying go. Go? You gonna go? Here he comes. Here he comes. I'm gonna scar a child for life. Right here on live video. Here you go. Woo! Ah! Oh!
Whoops! Santiago. What happened? He couldn't see.
Because he's not even 2 yet. He's still learning how to walk.
His head was all covered with his...
Mackie!